Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. It's convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson SV25 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the dust container. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws that hold the container in place. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the dust container away from the main body of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. Now, inspect the container for any cracks or blockages. If you notice any debris, use the soft cloth to clean the interior thoroughly. This will help maintain optimal suction power. If you find that the container is damaged, you may need to replace it. However, if the damage is minor, you can use a strong adhesive to seal any cracks. Allow the adhesive to dry completely before reassembling the vacuum. Now, let's reattach the dust container. Align it with the main body and press it back into place. Make sure it clicks securely. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently, ensuring not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. If you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After securing the dust container, it's a good idea to check the filter. Remove the filter from the vacuum and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your Dyson SV25. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel. Just schedule a pickup and we'll take care of the rest. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Dyson SV25 and test it out. Make sure the suction is strong and that there are no unusual sounds. If everything is working well, you've successfully repaired your dust container. In summary, repairing the dust container of your Dyson SV25 is a straightforward process that can save you money and extend the life of your vacuum. With the right tools and a little patience, you can tackle this repair with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.